we got that bastard.
Still, he's not the one responsible for killing your Marines. Sorry, mate.
Imran's a curve, huh? Man's a ghost. Intel says he's gone underground.
Well, I got a plan to find him.
I'm listening. Daddy's boy.
Zakhaev's son, commander of the ultra-nationalist forces in the field. Rotten apple doesn't fall far from the tree. The loyalist Kamarov has got a location on the kid.
And the little punk'll know how to find Zakhaev.
The sins of our fathers.
Ain't it a bitch?
This is the best way in. The vehicle checkpoint is directly ahead.
Not bad, Kamarov. This'll do nicely. Vulture 1-6, we're in position.
Bravo 6, this is Vulture 1-6. Radio jammers are active. You're cleared to engage the guard station. Out.
So, get on that dumpster and prepare to take out the guards in the tower on my mark. The rest of you follow me. So, take them out now. Move, move, move! So loud.
Let's get this place sorted out. Change into the enemy uniforms and douse the fires. Kamarov, I need your men on the ground if the drivers start asking questions. Just keep them busy until we locate Zakhaev's son. We don't have much time, so get to it.
Man, you look like a clown in that outfit. Good thing you're up here, because you look nothing like a Russian.
Bravo 6, this is Vulture 1-6. We're tracking an enemy convoy headed your way. I count 6 vehicles in the convoy, over.
Roger that. Nobody fires a shot until I give the order. Sir, I have a visual on the target in the third vehicle, and I'm walking by it right now. Copy that. All teams stand by. The target is in the Jeep in front of the BMP. We need to take him alive, so watch your fire. Stand by. Stand by. Smoke him. Enemy reinforcements to the south.
He's gonna hit the tower!
Chase him down. We'll handle the enemy reinforcements and catch up. Go, go!
Bravo team, this is Vulture 1-6. I'm tracking the target. Damn, this guy moves fast. Okay, he's leaving the junkyard to the northwest. Get his ass. Move, move. Okay, the target is moving. North. He's headed towards the outskirts of the city. Be advised, this area is crawling with hostile forces, over.
Keep these bastards off your back!
Roger that! So, go through the alley on the left!
Multiple hostiles on the other side of that iron fence. Two hostiles coming up on your right flank. I got movement on the rooftops. Hostiles on the second floor to your right. Yeah, you got them. One guy behind the overturned dumpster.
Enemy by the dumpster, copy!
Enemies coming your way. Alley on your left side. Two tangos. Watch for the green car around the corner. Yeah, all clear. Hostiles moving across the parking lot towards the 5-story building.
Vulture 1-6, we are taking heavy fire from a fortified position on the 5th floor.
Roger that. First one's free. Stand by. Okay, all targets neutralized. You're good to go. Bravo team, you have a visual on the target, over.
Affirmative. Target spotted entering 5-story building.
Hostiles moving across the parking lot towards the 5-story building.
Vulture 1-6, we are taking heavy fire from a fortified position on the 5th floor.
Roger that. First one's free. Stand by. Okay, all targets neutralized. You're good to go. Bravo team, do you have a visual on the target, over?
Affirmative. Target spotted entering 5-story building.
Target is on the move in the northeast part of the building, second floor. Target on your left, one floor above. There's a staircase in the north corner. Target has moved deeper into the building. Hold on, I got these guys. Okay, all targets neutralized. You're good to go. I have movement on the roof. Stand by. Yeah, positive ID. Target is on the roof. He's all yours.
Drop the bloody gun! Now drop it! I can put one in his leg, sir.
No, we can't risk it. Hold your fire. So, take his weapon and restrain him.
Drop it!
Shit, kid's got some issues.
Base plate, this is Bravo 6. Zakaev's son's dead. We're coming home.
Oh, bloody hell. His son was our only lead, sir.
Forget it. I know the man. He won't let this go unanswered. Let's go.